Okay, let's get to our lessons. So, introduction to coding. This booklet is the one used in the one-on-one coding lessons provided by me at owendevs.com. So my name is Abraham Gumba and I've been a programmer for several years. Now in these lessons are meant for someone who is new to computer programming. And in the lessons I will explain some things and show you how to do them on my computer. Then I will ask you to do them on your computer. From time to time I will ask you to do some things by yourself without me showing you first how to do them based on what we'll have covered by then. Please ask questions if you don't understand something. You can ask over and over, don't be afraid. The goal is for you to understand what we are learning. Now, there are some things which you need to know in computer programming, some words which you'll be using, so you need to know what they mean. First of all, a program is a set of instructions telling the computer what to do. So that's what a program is. It's a set of instructions. So a program or the instructions are also known as code. So if you're writing a program, it means you're writing some instructions or you're writing some code. So code just means a special language. So writing a program is known as programming or coding. So these words will be used interchangeably. So when a computer is following the instructions in a program, we say that the computer is running the program or executing the program. So again, these are words which you'll be hearing during our lessons. So be familiar with the meanings, but it will be pretty clear as we go along. Okay? Alright, thank you. See you in the next lesson.